Hi everyone. So my name is Vishali and I have created a project on the given data set. My data set was a category underscore access underscore log.zz and I have done a data loading and analysis on the given data set. So I have first imported the two important libraries, zzip to because it was a zip file and it has extension of .zz. That's why I've used zzip, and after that I've used a urlab.request. This is used to fetch the data from the given website. So here is the URL that was provided in the extension. So I've put the URL and I'm trying to access the data from that URL, and I have put it in a exceptional. Like if it's able to fetch it, then it will be like it will show the message file download successfully. Otherwise, it will show that it got failed. After that, I'm trying to load the data into in my log entry list, and I have printed that data, whatever the data was there in the data set. So I've printed there with this function. I have designed this function to extract and parse the timestamp. It will match the pattern with the timestamp, and if it matches, it will print the result. Otherwise, it will throw the exception. Here I have showed the example, and this function is to find out the file extension. And here I have showed the first 10 extensions of files. This function I've created to show the clean logs. So if it has a proper timestamp file extension, so it will be put it in the clean log, and here are total number of clean logs entries, and the result is shown in there. And after that I have tried to find out the invalid logs was 4443. After that I have started the analysis on the data set. First of all, I have put it in a dictionary. Here I've used a default dictionary. It's a special dictionary type, and I've tried to put it in a dictionary format. And here's the first log entry I have showed in the dictionary format, and I'm trying to parse it. After that, I've followed the following questions. For example, like first question was count the total log records. So I've checked the length of the parse logs and I've printed, and it was seven this much number. Second one was count of unique host. It was two unique hosts was there. Third one is find out the unique file names per date. So try to check it out with the data, and there was like this much total uh, unique file names was there. And like for example, this question top 15 file names. So these was the top 15 file names I were there in the data set. Top 15 file extensions. So these were the top 15 extensions was there, where status was 404. Total bandwidth transferred per day for July 1995. So I've created a function for that, tried to find out where the date was July 1995 and tried to print it out, and there was the result of that question. Hourly request distribution, how many hourly request distributions was there. So where I put it the log hours and then try to print it out. After that, the top most requested file names. So I have used file names and try to find the most common. Uh, and what was the HTTP response? Oh, I haven't printed that. Print. And this was the top most requested file names. So this was the project I've tried. I hope I'll able to justify with the answers. Thank you.